All right, let's take a look at side 2. One hole to a distance of 0.5 and another hole through all. If I go to Inventor, I'm going to pick a side that doesn't have my extrusion on it. So here's my extrusion. I'll just pick to work on the top instead. And when I want to make a hole, I need to start by working in a sketch. In that sketch, I need to put in, sketching on this plane here, I need to put in where I want that hole to be. So I'm going to add a point on my sketch, and then I finish it. Now in my modify options here, I have one that says hole. So if I choose hole and choose that point, I have some termination options over here. I'm going to make this one the one that goes part way through. So I'm going to go to a distance. Notice I have two choices here, how deep I want it to be. Our directions tell us 0.5 inches. And then how wide I want it to be. I'm going to make it 1. When I click OK, that finishes it. It looks like a circle right now, but if I rotate it, I can see that that's actually going into the shape that I have there. I do a very similar thing if I want to add the hole that goes all the way through. So again, I'm going to start in a 2D sketch on this plane. Drag it up so we can see what we're doing. I need to put in a point. Oops, my 2D sketch didn't open there. Let's try that again. Start 2D sketch. All right, I'm going to put in a point. I'll put it down here so that we have some room for it. And I finish that sketch. I click hole, click onto that point, and the only difference now is my termination. I want this one to go through all. Now, because it's going through all, I don't have a depth option here, just a width, and I'm going to leave it 1 inch so it matches the other one. When I'm done, I click OK. And now what I have is side 2 of my cube done. You can see we have one hole that goes partway through, and the other one, if I rotate my shape, goes all the way through my figure. So that's creating holes in your figure, both to a certain depth and all the way through. That's what you'll need to do on side 2 of your box.